Hey everyone, this is your boy JK. I'm back with another video. I'm sorry about last week, I forgot to upload a video. So this week I'll have something special. This week I'll be opening up some Duelist Alliance yugioh, another one, and lastly some Unbroken Bonds 2 packs. Alright, so let's start off with the yugioh. Okay. Alright, so the chase card in this set is the L Shuttle Construct, Alt-T, the Deltaros Ghost, and there's some other Alt-Ts and secret rares that I want to get in this pack, so let's go and see. I don't know the card trick, so let's go. So we got Cloud Castle, we got Ancient of the Entropy Uranus, okay, what a name, Metaphys Armed Dragon. Let me see if I get it perfect. Okay. And the shiny is Dragonhorn Hunter. Shuttle Falco. Nice. As the rare. Sonata the Melodious Diva. Artifact Chakra. Fast of the Wild level 5. And Nefarious Archfiend Eater of... I don't know. Alright, let's go. Let's go up with pack number 2. Give me a second. Alright, let's get open this. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Start off with we got Shuttle Skullmata. Then we got Stellar Knight Alpha. Gaia the Polar Knight. Area the Melodious Diva. I think the shiny is behind us, so we'll just start from the back. We got Didnt, Demolisher of Rituals. We got Nefarious. Gaia the Midnight Sun. Shadow Falco. We got Face Off. And the shiny I think is... oh, no shiny. Well, I fucked up. I messed up that one. And we'll be opening up the Unbroken Bonds. Let's see what we could get in this blister. So we got the code here. You guys want the code? Oh, it's actually... oh, I don't know this. It was Unbroken Bonds and Ultra Prism. Cool. Let's start with the Ultra Prism first. I'm not even sure what's the card trick for this set, so we'll just assume it's 4. Here's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water energy code. So we got Lopunny, Tornador, Mars, Skorupi, Lickitung, Chimchar, Azimia, Banary. We got Lopunny as a reverse and Dialga GX. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. And for the Unbroken Bond, come on. Man, maybe I should go hit the gym or something. I can't seem to open a freaking pack here. Wow, this is air. Shit. Okay, here, we'll open the back, whatever. Okay. This is my first time opening up Unbroken Bonds. There's the code card. Let's see if it's the same trick. Okay. We got Fairy Energy. We got Chatot, Lyron, Martial Arts Dojo, Drowsy, Cubone, Crabrawler, Sandile. Look at that art. oddish, very odd kind of art. Porygon as the reverse, and we got Tag Team Lucario and Melmetal. Nice! Well, I dropped it. Well, folks, that's all for today's video. Carter's safe, and so I'll hopefully catch you next time on JK. Peace.